Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the game turbo mode after updating to the new MIUI 12 update. So recently I got the MIUI 12 update in the Redmi K20 Pro device, and let's check whether is there any new changes in the new game turbo mode, or is there any new kind of FPS meter going on. So let's check in this video. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more in detail reviews about the live wallpapers and plenty of other things about the MIUI 12 update, and also try checking the links in description for the wallpapers as well. So you can find very good interesting wallpapers. So there is a special playlist which I have created only for the MIUI 12 users. So definitely if you are planning to update your MIUI from 11 to 12, then definitely you can take a look at the playlist. So this playlist will give you a clear idea how is the battery in the Redmi K20 Pro device and performance, and what are the new things it got added. So definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So even I got hands-on with the Poco F2 Pro as well, but since I got the MIUI 12 update, I was using only this phone for the past couple of days. So definitely subscribe to my channel for more details on the Poco F2 Pro and Mi Note 10 Lite as well. So you can find the game turbo option once you're in the special features and going to the game turbo, as you can see. So in this way you can access the game turbo mode here. So overall the interface looks same kind of interface which is present in the previous Redmi phone. So let me open the game turbo in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, as you can see here. So otherwise, let me select the Poco X2 phone. As you can see, it is the Poco X2, so which has the same kind of game turbo. So you can see the Poco X2 is running the MIUI 11 version, and whereas the Redmi K20 Pro is running the MIUI 12 version. So you can see the everything is same, even the animations and everything looks same when switching between games here. So let me tap the settings here and show you the what changes. So you can see the same kind of features which is present and same kind of design. So overall, in terms of the game turbo, there is nothing changed at all here. So you can see same features and additional settings and same things going on. So even let me go to the in-depth settings. So same. So everything is same, friends. In terms of the game turbos, there is nothing much changed. So what now? Let me try to open one of the game. So there I can demonstrate you is there any change in the FPS meter location and everything. So as you can see right now in the FPS meter, there is nothing changed in the FPS meter as well. So everything is same as it is like before. So same kind of small interface here and same kind of location for the FPS, GPU, CPU usage. So overall, I did not observe any changes in terms of the game turbo in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more details and for more future features reviews in the future. So don't forget to subscribe, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist for more in detail reviews. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.